Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Debo D. Today we are going to be working on the wife's Envision. She had a little bit of an accident and we are going to fix it. Stay tuned. And I got a little helper today. Say hi.
Hi.
So this is the damage that the Envision has suffered. So we got a small little scrape, small little scrape, small little scrape, small little scrape. We're gonna get it all fixed though, right?
Yeah.
Trying to assess the damages. I've kind of just been in here with some 600 grit sandpaper. I wanted to get some of the heavy stuff down, just so it's a little bit smooth. I do have some glazing putty that I'm going to put on this. The glazing putty will get like all these big scratches and divots out and level out this surface. This trim, this specific trim, is $270 a piece, and it is paint to match. So if you're just doing the quick math there, you'll have almost $1,000 just in trim molding. So I'm going to try to fix it. I'd rather try to fix it instead of spending the money on doing it through the insurance and then having your rates go up just like everything else does. This is pretty simple. I think I can get this knocked out. A little ways into this so far. So what I have done, we are a little ways into this. I have got some spot filler and I mix some stuff up and I put it right in this recess here. So this is nice and smooth now. You can see where it got in and everything's filled now. So that's all sanded down. This is all sanded down here as well. Got into the back. And this is all nice and smooth as well. I'm going to come back in here and hit this a little bit more. It's a little high here. But yeah, it's filling in nice. And the putty that I'm using, this is just how would you consider this? It's not Bondo, it's like a finishing putty. This is what I'm using. Easy to mix up. I only need a little bit, so I put a little goober on there. And the hardener, that's the key with this thing. So the hardener, you only need on this small amount, and that's way too much, but that will work. And you want to mix this around, and you want to mix it so that it's even, because you don't have much time to work with it. You do get extremely lucky with white, especially this white. This white can be blended without going super crazy. And then when this tacks and fully dries, it can be wet sanded. Black will be next after I work on this door. Rear door is done. Continue on. This is the final result. There is a small little crease still in the fender. I'm okay with that. Looks 100 times better than what it did. Both wheels are done. Both dog legs. The back door. I do have 2 runs on the dog leg. Then I'm going to let this cure. You can let it cure for about a week, and then you can come back, wet sand it, and then buff it out. But yeah, not too bad for a day's work. That sun is killer. That killed me. But it's all complete. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you in the next video.